No?
What are you doing?
Okay, so, hello guys. Hello YouTube. This is Jamie. And in front of you is...
Claire.
And we are a quick little house tour for you guys. This is our son Joe here on the computer. You got anything you want to say?
Well, my brain's a bit of a fizz right now. Brain's a bit of a fizz. My vocabulary, too. But I'm sure I can answer any question you like.
Sure. I mean, we'll do a Q&A at some point, and we'll involve him. So, there you go.
Right.
Carry on, son. Carry on. This is the washer and dryer. This does come with the house we're selling as is. Blah, 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 blah. This also comes with the house for free as well, which is nice. Very good. Very successful.
We are leaving it a little Subaru that does not hold much.
Yep, we are leaving in a little Subaru that does not hold much. We could have had a pickup truck, but she's like, no. But I understand the application of as to why not to have a truck. Because number one, if we're toting around a Subaru all the time, going through hills like that, we're kind of putting a lot of strain on the said truck.
Yeah, and we don't know how long we're going to be traveling from hotel to hotel, and it would be really inconvenient to be having to tow a Subaru behind a truck for 6 months or a year.
Yep, like she said, 6 months or a year, so.
And it's in London. And it's in London. Moving pictures to you. Which was special. Right now.
So this is the house. This is the bedroom that we had set up for our son Joe. Some paintings that we're not sure what to do with yet.
Yeah, my paintings.
Nigel Marvin's trapped.
And so yeah, we got a little setup there. This is where me and Claire sleep together and love. You know, when you're in love with each other, you lay down, you cuddle each other to sleep. Yeah, no, not like, see, I don't understand women. Can someone comment and explain why women's minds automatically go to something dirty every time you say something? Anyways, this is what it looks like from the back door. I don't know if you can see really well because of the plastic, but... And so yeah, this is the house. And there's the wine cabinet. Some water jugs for water to drink and use for dishes. A bear. Mr. Dylan! Hi, Dylan. Hello, Dylan. You good boy, Dylan. Huh? Yeah, show us your good side, Mr. Dylan. Yeah, pose for us, Mr. Dylan. There you go. Yeah, that's our Kiki Dylan. He's also coming with us, too. Then you got this microwave. That was like $55. Then you got this refrigerator with a freezer attached for God knows how much. And this is how we're running the electric into the house. There's a little hole in the floor that we ran extension cords through. The extension cords go all the way out here, and they go all the way to that little meter just beside the car. Which I will go outside right quick as soon as I switch my shoes, and I will go outside and I will show you where it leads to at some point. Anyways, I will show you all that at some point, not now, not like anytime in the future, but just at some point, just know that. And so the stove comes with, the propane tank comes with, this sink here comes with, the counter comes with.
This is all.
Yeah, your eyes are up there.
This is a piece of countertop that was cut out of a countertop that was put in a church. This is a footboard to a bed. This is 3 2x4s. This was a thrown out sink. So, yeah, this is completely, as is this, come over here. Alright, this is the headboard to the same bed. And I put, this was an old board that I had for painting portraits. And I took plastic trays and cardboards and made drawers so I could have a stand-up desk, because every time that I set up a little desk at the table, it got infiltrated with everybody else's stuff and food and stuff, and I needed a place that would be unmolested.
So this right here is basically our planning board, where we usually plan out things like what we're going to do for the day, what video we're going to do for that day, and stuff like that. But, you know.
This was an old sink and countertop that was torn out of a really, really old trailer, and this is, again, another head. And it was twin beds, so this is a footboard. So what now?
You want to describe your setup here?
Yeah. So we put a hook up in the little rafter there, and then put strings on the hula hoop so it would hang even. And then we put the shower hooks on it, and all of this, like, I think we paid like $5 for the hula hoops, and I don't know about the string, but
So we paid $5 for the hula hoop, $1 for the rings, about $3 for the curtain,
They were
and
$1
about
piece.
about $14 for the pool.
Nope, it was like $6.
$6 for the pool. $6 for the pool. My apologies.
And if you come over here, there's a step stool here.
That somebody stands on,
Yeah.
and what they do is they take a cup and they pour it over the person taking a shower.
Yeah, and it works actually really good, doesn't it, honey?
It really
It's a
does.
little inconvenient. But I pour it over his head, he washes his hair, and then I get him all wet, and then I go off and do something while he scrub-a-dubs up, and then I come back and rinse him off. So, and I do that for Joseph as well. I mean, I'm his woman, and I'm his mother, so it's really not weird.
Of the U.S. in the open woodland of the U.S.
Oh, yes, dear. My back's hurting from all the work I did. I need to find some pills. Oh, some Tylenol.
So anyways, y'all, that's the house. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from us. And just have a blessed day, y'all. Wait.
Visit our TikTok, our Instagram, Twitter, Facebook page. Just visit all of our social media. Stop by and comment.
Now when you're done, do your thing.
And we'll see you guys later. Bye.
I said it right.